Welcome to this powerful 10-minute journey of money and wealth affirmations. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you wish, and take a deep breath in and out. In the next 10 minutes, you will reprogram your subconscious mind for abundance and prosperity. These affirmations will help you remove financial blocks, raise your vibration, and attract money into your life. Relax, breathe, and allow these words to transform your financial reality. You are worthy of abundance. You are worthy of wealth. You are ready to receive money into your life. Let's begin. I am a magnet for money and abundance. Money comes to me easily and freely. I am worthy of wealth and prosperity. My financial well-being is constantly growing. I attract opportunities to earn money every single day. Money loves me, and I love money. Abundance is my natural state of being. I am open to receiving wealth from multiple sources. Financial success comes to me from all directions. I deserve to be wealthy and happy. My income is constantly increasing. I am grateful for all the wealth in my life. Money is energy that flows freely to me. I live in abundance and prosperity. Every day I become richer and more successful. The universe supports my financial well-being. I attract success into everything I do. My life is filled with wealth and unlimited opportunities. I create wealth with my thoughts and actions. Money multiplies in my hands. I value money, and money values me. Financial freedom is my reality here and now. I am successful in everything I do. Wealth comes to me from multiple sources. I believe in my right to be wealthy. My opportunities to earn money are limitless. I invest in my prosperity and growth. Money works for me day and night. I enjoy financial abundance. Every thought I have creates wealth. I attract financial miracles and blessings. My wealth grows with each passing day. I am surrounded by opportunities for prosperity. The universe is generous, and I accept its gifts with gratitude. I achieve all my financial goals with ease. I am blessed with financial prosperity. Wealth is my birthright. I easily attract money and opportunities. Every dollar multiplies in my hands. I create wealth for myself and help others. I live a life of luxury and comfort. My wealth brings joy to me and those around me. I deserve the best that life has to offer. Financial abundance flows to me easily and continuously. I believe in the unlimited possibilities of wealth. Every day brings new financial blessings. I am a master at creating and multiplying wealth. Money comes to me in excess. I attract prosperity into all areas of my life. My financial future is bright and secure. I am open to unexpected money windfalls and gifts from fate. I welcome money with open arms. Money flows to me like a mighty river. I am worthy of all the wealth in the universe. My life is a story of financial success. I attract abundance effortlessly. Every action I take leads to prosperity. I live in a world of unlimited possibilities. Financial well-being is my natural environment. I radiate confidence and attract wealth. Money comes to me quickly and easily. I create a life full of abundance and joy. My wealth grows while I sleep. I am blessed with an endless stream of money. The universe always provides for my needs. I am financially free and independent. Money is always available to me. I attract wealthy and successful people into my life. My bank account is constantly growing. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. Financial miracles happen to me every day. I am a money magnet. Prosperity is attracted to me. I release all resistance to money. I am worthy of massive wealth. My income exceeds my expenses. I am creating generational wealth. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am financially abundant. I have more than enough money. I am rich in every sense of the word. I trust the universe to provide for me abundantly. Money flows to me from known and unknown sources. I am a powerful creator of wealth. My prosperity benefits everyone around me. I make smart financial decisions with ease. Abundance is my divine right. I release all fear about money. I am confident in my ability to create wealth. Money comes to me in increasing quantities. I am worthy of financial security and freedom. My actions create constant prosperity. I attract lucrative opportunities every day. Wealth flows to me effortlessly and joyfully. I am grateful for my abundant life. My bank account reflects my abundant mindset. I am a successful money manager. Financial abundance is always available to me. I choose prosperity in every moment. My income grows exponentially. I deserve unlimited financial success. Money is a positive force in my life. I release all negative beliefs about money. I am open to receiving massive amounts of money. My financial success inspires others. I live in a state of financial abundance. Money loves to come to me. I am financially secure and stable. My wealth creates positive change in the world. I am worthy of wealth beyond my wildest dreams. Financial opportunities seek me out. I am a master at attracting money. My prosperity consciousness expands daily. I celebrate my financial wins, big and small. Money is drawn to my positive energy. I am living my wealthiest life now. Money is my obedient servant. I think like a millionaire and act like a millionaire. My net worth increases every single day. I am surrounded by abundance in all forms. Financial blessings flow to me naturally. I am worthy of extraordinary wealth. My relationship with money is healthy and positive. I manifest money with ease and grace. The universe conspires to make me wealthy. I am financially empowered and independent. Money is a tool I use to create good in the world. I attract wealth in miraculous ways. My financial dreams are becoming my reality. I am a channel for infinite prosperity. Money flows to me from multiple streams of income. I make money while doing what I love. My passion and purpose create abundant wealth. I am destined for financial greatness. Wealth is attracted to my positive mindset. I release all scarcity thoughts and embrace abundance. My wealth creates freedom for myself and others. I am grateful for the money I have and the money that's coming. Financial success is my natural state. I am open to receiving wealth in surprising ways. My bank balance grows larger every day. I am worthy of having millions of dollars. Money comes to me faster than I can spend it. I am a millionaire in the making. My wealth allows me to live my dream life. I attract financial opportunities wherever I go. I am confident in my ability to generate income. Money loves me and I am a money magnet. I deserve to be paid well for my talents and skills. My financial abundance helps me help others. I am building lasting wealth and legacy. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied. Wealth comes to me from expected and unexpected sources. I am financially free to live life on my terms. My prosperity is unlimited and ever expanding. I receive money from multiple channels continuously. I am a powerful money manifester. Financial abundance is my birthright and I claim it now. I release all limiting beliefs about money. My wealth grows exponentially every month. I am worthy of financial miracles. Money is always circulating in my life. I trust my ability to create unlimited wealth. I am attracting my ideal financial situation. I am worthy of massive financial breakthroughs. My wealth creates opportunities for others. I am financially unstoppable. Every financial decision I make is the right one. I am a master of money and wealth creation. My financial success exceeds my expectations. I attract prosperity in all areas of my life. Money is always available when I need it. I am building generational wealth for my family. I deserve to be wealthy and I accept it fully. My financial abundance is unlimited. I am grateful for the wealth that surrounds me. Money and I have a loving relationship. I am worthy of abundance in every form. Financial freedom is mine to enjoy. And so it is. You have just completed a powerful session of money affirmations. Feel the energy of abundance flowing through you right now. Your subconscious mind has received these powerful messages. Trust that wealth is on its way to you. For maximum results, Listen to these affirmations daily for at least 21 days. Repetition is the key to reprogramming your mind for prosperity. Remember, you are a magnet for money and success. Financial abundance is your birthright. Stay open, stay grateful, and watch the miracles unfold. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who are ready to attract wealth. Leave a comment below saying, "I am abundant," to activate your manifestation. Thank you for being here. May wealth and prosperity flow to you effortlessly. Until next time, stay blessed and abundant.